Sleep is more than just a time to rest. It's essential for maintaining optimal brain health. Getting a full 8 hours of sleep each night is crucial for your brain to function at its best. During sleep, your brain goes through vital processes. It repairs cells, consolidates memories, and removes toxins that accumulate throughout the day. These processes are key to maintaining cognitive function, enhancing focus, and improving problem-solving skills. When you consistently get enough sleep, you support your brain's ability to learn, adapt, and retain information. On the other hand, sleep deprivation can have serious consequences. It impairs your decision-making abilities, reduces your attention span, and can even contribute to long-term memory issues. Chronic lack of sleep is also linked to increased stress, anxiety, and a higher risk of neurological disorders. Prioritizing 8 hours of quality sleep isn't just about feeling rested. It's about giving your brain the time it needs to rejuvenate and prepare for the challenges of the day ahead. Protect your brain health by making sleep a non-negotiable part of your routine.